Welcome back to the AI copywriting tools. Today we're diving into ArtSpace AI, one of the most versatile tools in the AI image generation world right now. Whether you're a digital artist or just getting started with AI, ArtSpace is designed to take the complexity out of the process while giving you professional-grade results. What really sets it apart from the competition is the pricing. While most AI platforms trap you in a never-ending cycle of monthly subscriptions that eat away at your budget, ArtSpace offers a lifetime deal. That means you pay once and own the power of the tool forever, though they do have flexible subscription options if that fits your budget better. It's all about giving you high-end creative power without the recurring overhead. ArtSpace has two main dashboards: Canvas mode, which isn't included in the starter plan, and the one-click tools page. This video will focus entirely on two of the most powerful and useful one-click tools in the entire suite: Face Swap and Head Swap. The ArtSpace team just added Head Swap recently, and it brings even more value to the platform. Face Swap is perfect for maintaining the structure of a character while changing their identity, but Head Swap is the real game changer. It takes the entire head and hair from one image and seamlessly blends it onto another body. It's incredibly intuitive. You just select your base image, upload your source, and let the AI handle the lighting, shadows, and skin tones. If you're a content creator looking for viral growth, Head Swap's your secret weapon. This tool produces the most dramatic before and after results of anything in the ArtSpace toolkit. Think about the type of videos and memes that go truly viral on social media. It's the kind of upload, click, done content that people love to share and save because the result looks like it took hours of manual Photoshop work when it actually took 5 seconds. For the professional photographers out there, this is the ultimate shortcut. We've all been there. You've a great model and a great shoot, but you wish you had a different environment or a more expensive location. With Head Swap, you can take a model from a studio session and place them into any scene imaginable. You could have one photo shoot and turn it into endless variations across different landscapes or urban settings. This completely changes the ROI of a single booking. You no longer need to pay for extra location permits or multiple travel days. You can create an entire portfolio of high-end lifestyle shots from a single afternoon in your home studio. We've also all dealt with the classic group photo problem. You get the perfect shot of the whole family or the wedding party, but there's always that one person who blinked or looked away at the exact wrong moment. Instead of tossing the whole photo or trying to painstakingly mask a face in post-production, Head Swap fixes it instantly. You just grab another photo where that person's actually looking at the camera and swap their head onto the group shot. It's a relatable problem that everyone's experienced, which is why demo videos showing this fix perform so well. It solves a real-world headache in seconds. Finally, if you're working in e-commerce, this tool's a massive competitive advantage. Online shop owners can take one model and place them into different outfits or completely different branded scenes, without needing to schedule a new photo shoot for every product update. This is a huge selling point for anyone targeting small business owners or Shopify sellers. You can maintain a consistent brand look across your entire catalog while drastically reducing your production costs. It allows a small business to look like a global brand with a massive creative budget, all thanks to a few clicks in ArtSpace AI. Thanks again for watching AI copywriting tools. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet, and check the description for links to helpful tools and more tutorials.